The boy was born with black sharp thorns all over his back. Every day, his grandmother scraped off the thorns with a knife, but they would grow back from his skin the next day. His father regarded the boy as a monster that would bring disaster to the family. Cruelly, he locked the boy in a tightly sealed wooden box, carried it to a cliff, and threw it into the river. Fortunately, a magic master happened to pass by. After finding the boy, the kind master decided to adopt him. However, he never expected that the boy was a magic genius. At 3 years old, he could subdue wild beasts in the forest alone. At 7, he could smash tens of thousands of tons of boulders with one punch. 15 years later, the grown man was even able to defeat his master and become the most powerful magic master in the world. Seeing there was nothing left to teach him, the master told him to go down the mountain with a jade pendant to find his long-lost family. But as soon as he arrived in a town, he saw his elder sister being hunted. The man immediately decided to save her.
What are you?
You're too low to know my name.
Those rogues.
And remember, be cautious about revealing your strength. It may cause chaos.
I'm fast on my feet. I just carried you away when they were distracted.
If I hadn't been poisoned, I wouldn't have been pushed around by those rogues. Thank you.
Strange. I've never met this girl before. Why does she feel so familiar?
If my little brother had survived back then, he'd be around this age.
It's getting dark, miss. Let me take you home.
Moon Goddess, please protect my son wherever he is.
What did you say? I knew it! You didn't kill that wolfless thing back then.
Marshall,
Wolfless! That's not possible! I'm the strongest alpha of Redclaw! This wolfless thing can't be my son!
Please, Marshall, he's just a baby.
Listen, Winslet. Kill him before dawn. Otherwise, I'll have you and Laurie executed as well!
I'm sorry, my child. May the Moon Goddess protect you. Mummy will always love you.
You defied my order! Leaving behind a wolfless freak? It's a disgrace to the Redclaw family!
He's our son! He carries your blood!
A waste who can awaken even the lowest wolf. He doesn't deserve to be my son. I should have... Miss Laurie is back! She's injured! What?!
Dad, Mom. This young man just saved my life.
My daughter. Are you okay?
Thank you for saving my daughter, young warrior. And your name is?
Raven will do. I'm a wandering carpenter.
A carpenter? How'd you come around here?
I'm here looking for my family, Alpha. 20 years ago, I was abandoned in the nearby woods.
I see. Please stay here in our guest room for now. The Redclaw Pack will do everything we can to help you find your families.
You're so kind. Thank you.
Please follow me.
Weird. I've never met this lady before. How'd I get a feeling of closeness to her?
I made it myself! I was the one who broke the Moonstone in half. Marshall, he really is our son!
So he is a useless waste. After 20 years, he's still nothing but a carpenter. He'd have been better off dying back then.
You abandoned him 20 years ago, and now he's come back safe and sound. It's the will of the moon goddess! Can't you just accept him? I have to tell him the truth!
Silence! Not a single word about Raven is to leave this room. Otherwise, I will kill that myself.
Over a decade ago, the Lycan King caught and imprisoned this Hydra here with special chains. All these years, not a single werewolf has been able to get within 3 meters of him. Even Lord Silver, with a century-old wolf in him, only took one of its scales.
Hey. There's danger. Look, here comes the wolfless little carpenter. Smells like a human! Carpenter, why not use that little chopping axe, cutting off Hydra's head? Maybe Miss Laurie will finally take a shine on you. Let's go.
Hydra?
Heir, you want to challenge me? Come taste my axe.
Bloodshadow's army is closing in.
Pass my order. All the werewolves shall practice much harder from now on. Maintain the highest level of alert.
Yes.
The Hydra? It can't be! Even the top-ranked werewolf on the scroll could only take a single scale from her!
To kill a Hydra, this werewolf's strength must far beyond the scroll.
Anyone capable of this must have a wolf of at least 1,000 years.
Find this guy at any cost!
If he's willing to join Redclaw, soon we'll be invincible in the world.
Mrs. Winslet.
Good morning, Raven. How is it? Are you feeling chill staying here?
Can't be better. Thank you for your concern.
Kid, I found you dressed rather lightly last night, and it's terrible to get our guest cold or something. So I had several outfits rushed overnight.
This is... Lady Winslow, you really don't have to be so kind to me.
By the way, kid, for all these years you haven't had family around. Was your childhood all right? Who took care of you? Is it tough?
My teacher took very good care of me, even though I didn't have a mother. Quite content about it.
That's good. That's good. I kept thinking, without family, what if you'd been bullied?
Don't worry, dear lady, no one could bully me. It's just that I've always missed my family, especially my mother. I want to see her and ask her, why did she leave me like that?
A child is a mother's most precious gift. Your mother must love you. All these years, perhaps she's been crying for you through countless nights, praying for you.
Hope so.
Sorry, forgive my outburst.
Thank you for caring about me so much. Sometimes I think, if only you were my mother.
Raven, I actually...
Today is the last day for Redclaw!
Gomez is vicious, lustful, and addicted to killing.
At just 22, his strength is already close to his father's. Bloodshadows.
Bloodshadow.
No. I only just reunited with my son. This is not something you should be involved in, kid. A secret passage beneath the castle leads straight into the forest. You must leave now and never come back!
Hey Marshall, you old dog. You're still alive?
Gomez, Bloodshadow. You come to Redclaw Pack without permission. What do you want?
What do I want? To swallow you whole, of course. This bunch of rash calls itself a pack? Killing you all would be easier than killing a dog.
Raven? Why are you still here? Leave! Now!
Go! This place is dangerous.
What could a mere carpenter do here? Don't hold us back.
Then why is Alpha Marshal standing here doing nothing?
Lori, my girl! Long time no see! You're even prettier than last time. How about being my 24th wife? Since your family's just a pack of castrated little wolves.
Shameless!
Not interested? Then I'll slaughter all of Redclaw today! Every man here will die! As for the women, they'll become my toys! Don't you dare insult Miss Lori! Is this all you Redclays have? Pathetic! Come water my garden instead!
Huston, that strike. I think I got his weakness.
Huston, you're the Gamma, aren't you? Too scared to move? Looks like the entire Redclaw family is nothing but cowards.
His left leg. His gravity shifts when he attacks. Just as I thought, his left leg isn't steady.
He took the bait.
The weakness in my left leg was a decoy I deliberately set for you.
Damn it!
I need to think of a way to remind them.
I have a bad habit when I chop woods. The axe is too heavy for me. So after every 3 full power swings, my right hand has to relax for a second before I keep going.
After every 3 strikes, his right hand relaxes.
That's it! Huston! After every 3 attacks, Gomez's right hand loosens!
Gotta have a try.
Right now.
That's my Gamma! Huston, you are the hero of Redclaw!
No wolf gets such mastery in fighting. Raven, who are you?
To honor Huston's achievements, I hereby declare my daughter Lori will be married to him!
Alpha!
Now execute this Bloodshadow bastard in public. Let his blood and wash away our humiliation! You've shamed our pack. Get out of my sight!
It's Bradley and his executioner blade.
2 Redclaws fought against my son, exhausting him. That's why he got injured. Unfair. So, I'll drain the blood of your entire pack to brew my wine. Except you. I'll let you live. So you can regret every single day why you didn't die today.
Go to hell!
This is the power of the 10th on the scroll.
This is your Gemma? No better than a maid in our pack! Bradley! One more insult and I won't hold back! Not hold back? You! An old-ass alpha? When I flatten Redclaw, your wife and daughter will make perfect toys for me and my son!
Too weak. Even his wolf is unstable.
Yes! Alpha's finally going all out. Bloodshadow is finished.
What is it? Unless a Brock lies, Alpha Marshal isn't a match for Bradley. He'll lose in 5 seconds.
How'd you say that?
3, 2, 1.
Redclaw, all a pack of worthless dogs. Even their leader falls so easily.
Bloodshadow! Get off Redclaw land! Lorry!
To a little girl like you, I don't need a weapon. Now then, agree to be my and Gomez's slave, and I might let you suffer a little less.
I'd rather die.
Then die.
There's no other choice. I have to fight. Today, I may die here.
Mrs. Winslow.
My child, my son, I am your mother. The greatest pain of my life was failing to protect you 20 years ago, leaving you alone in that forest to see you again before dying. Knowing you're alive and well, that's enough for me.
She's my mother.
That's why she cared so much about me. That's why she felt so familiar. And that's why she worried whether I could leave safely.
Mom.
I thought Redclaw was already pathetic enough. Turns out there's more surprise! And you, a poor thing who doesn't even have a wolf. Marshal, what is he, a proof for your wife's affair with a human?
Beat me first, then! No! Mom, you will die!
Burn your wolf spirit? Since you're so eager to die, then all of you will die together.
Your whole Redclaw pack will be buried with you!